Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Smart Sulu Balapulang, and good morning to all audience and participants. How's life today? I hope you are all fine and great, just like this beautiful morning. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, have you ever heard about Habib Umar bin Hafiz? Did you know him? Yes, he is a great, richest, and famous in the world. If you know him, so surely you all already heard that Habib Umar bin Hafiz once said that people who has good manners, even though lack of knowledge, is so much better than people who has a lot of knowledge but lack of manners. So the word of Habib Umar bin Hafiz has motivated me, Ageng Tirtayasa, from English Education Department of UIN Kiai Haji Saifuddin Zuhri Purwokerto, here standing in front of you all in order to present my speech about the importance of moral education for the students. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here in this great opportunity, I would like to explain about how moral education giving impact to the students, such as creating respectful behavior, supporting their achievement in academic, and then resulting good quality generations. Because I think basically I'm sure that we all agree that between moral and between education, it cannot be separated, right? So I hope my speech here could increase our awareness about how important of moral education, how important moral education is. So without lingering ado, please enjoy my speech, enjoy my material, and giving attention to the visual aids. Alright, let's go. Alright, first, what's the meaning of moral education? Morality, as we know, is a human term that refers to someone in actions that have positive value. So, what's the meaning of moral education, Mr. Tirta? Moral education is a learning process in which students are able to understand themselves and the world around them. So is it important? Of course, moral education is so much important because by cultivating moral and religion from an early age of our generations is very urgent and important because it could make their knowledge is more useful and meaningful, and also it could make their personality to get better and also make their become great character, great person as well. And then what's the impact for the nations? Of course, there are so many impacts for the nation because of moral education. One of them is it could make our dignity nations could rise, and then another example is it could make the generations is increased, and then life become better and safe and comfortable. Alright, next, what's the positive impact for the students? First, the first positive impacts for the students of moral education is creating respectful behavior at school. For example, moral education encourages students to preventing to do bully, and then it creates students to be respectful persons to the teachers, parents, and society, and also other school members. Then moral educations also encourage students to be respectful to all differences and diversity in school. Alright, next, the second positive impacts of moral education for the students is supporting their achievement in academic class in school life. It is because moral education, as we know, the purpose of moral education is creating, making uh, someone's personality to get better. So it means that by cultivating moral education, it could make students to be disciplined persons in their academic class, in their school life, and then by cultivating moral education, it could encourage students to be kind and friendly persons, and then cultivating honesty among students, and also encourage students to apply their knowledge. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the final chapter of moral education is assaulting good qualities for this nation. Why? It is because I think moral education has become one of main factors, one of main case in successing education. So I think by cultivating, if we cultivate moral education to the students, it means that we are supporting, we are building, we try to build good qualities for this nation, and then the result is uh, a harmonious and peaceful community life. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we all already knew that there are so many good impacts of moral education for the students, such as creating respectful behavior, supporting their achievement in academic, and then resulting good qualities generations. So because of the importance of moral education, I think it's time for us to pay attention on moral education in Indonesia, because I think we still have less moral education. We have still have bad moral education. So it's time for us to be care and pay attention. And then, therefore, I think it's time for us to build, to cultivate a moral education within education system. So maybe those all from me. I think enough. Thank you so much for your attention, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for the time. Semangat satu bakal pulang. And see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.